So hi guys, this is Rename and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, I have done a makeup tutorial video and I haven't been doing a tutorial for a long time, so I thought you guys would want it. And I also tried to incorporate some old makeup techniques that I used when I worked in Harajuku, which was kind of a flashy place, and I thought that it would suit this pink hairstyle. And I was looking back to my old videos and it was super embarrassing, so I couldn't keep watching. But if you guys follow me for a long time, maybe you kind of notice some similarities from the makeup back then. And I also bought some new products online, and those are both Japanese products, and it was really nice when I used it for this makeup. So if you want to learn or know more about Japanese cosmetics and products, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So further ado, let's get into the video. So first, I'm going to be using this cleanser to remove any impurities left on the skin, and I just soaked it on a cotton and wiped all over my face. Next, I'm going to moisten my skin using the Embryolisse skin cream, and this is used for sensitive skin, but any type of moisturizer is fine. Now that we're ready with the moisturizing, I am going to start off with the primer, and this COVERMARK primer I have been using for so long, and it really reduces discoloration and gives a natural radiant glow. Now in Japan it's getting hotter, so I rather use a liquid foundation more than a cushion foundation because I like to spread it out as much as I can, and I don't want to put too much of the product, so I take a pea-sized amount of foundation and dab it onto my cheeks, forehead, nose, chin, and use a gentle circular motions to blend it outwards. I also apply it under my eyes and side of my nose to hide the redness before concealing. For concealer, I am using the Custard Color Cream Concealer from NARS, and I apply it under my eyelid and a little bit on my side of my nose. This concealer doesn't smear the entire day, so I've been using it for a long time as well. To set everything together, I'm using the mineral powder from Innisfree. This does not contain any artificial pigment as well as animal ingredients and keeps the balance between oil and moisture to create a healthy looking skin. So for brows, I'm going to start directly with the eyebrow mascara. I start with a light brown color to tone up my eyebrows and then use a pink color to suit my hair color. I sometimes do line out my eyebrows, but I usually don't because I have bangs and I don't have that much time in the morning. Now for the plumper, I am using this lip plumper from Dior, and this product is not too tingling as well as the color is really subtle and cute. So for the palette, I am using the palette from PS, which is a brand by Primark. For the base color, I will be using this camel color brown, and the point when applying this base is to work it out horizontally rather than vertically, so I will be doing the gradation sideways. This is because my eyes are a little close together, so by building up the gradation to the outer side, it will create a length to the eyes and make the eyes look further apart. For the second color, I am using this pink that is close to my hair color and applying it on my crease and blending it out with my finger. To draw a little attention to my eyes, I am applying this dark pink at the tip of my eyes, and I apply it on my upper eyelid and lower eyelid. I will also add a little bit of glitter on the lower eyelids to create the tear back, and the glitter inside this eyeshadow will reflect with my eyes and my eyes will look really glittery and cute. For the nose shadow, I take the camel brown color and apply it simply on the side of my nose. For liquid eyeliner, I am using this new color from DOLLYWINK, and this color is called Khaki, which is a color between green and brown. You can see how it's different from the red brown. The way you line it is actually the same as my usual makeup, but I just lengthen a little bit from my original eyeline, and I do not wing it up because I want to create the drooping look. Next, I will be curling my lashes, and if you have problems with your lashes not curling effectively, maybe there's a problem with the curve, so make sure you find a eyelash curler that suits your curve. Now I'm using this brown mascara from Make, and this is also one of the new products that I bought recently, and it really keeps the curl as well as lengthen my lashes, so two birds in one nest. And also apply it on my lower lashes. It was really easy to apply since the brush is a comb type, and pinch some lashes together so it creates this dolly look. Now for the lipstick, I am using this coral color lipstick by 3CE, which is a brand from Style Nanda. I apply it and also dab some on my upper lips and blend it out. For the gradation, I will be using this lip tint from Maybelline, and this time I chose a darker pink color just like I did with my eyeshadows to create a gradation so that the two kind of synchronize and the entire makeup looks good together. Now I'm using this Dolce Vita Matte Dusty Rose color from NARS, and what I'm doing here is taking out the face oil, which I guess transferred from my brush, and by taking out this oil it would actually pick up the colors much easier, and whenever you think your eyeshadow or your cheek doesn't color out well, try out taping out the oil. For highlighter, I am using this Revlon Lavender Color Powder and apply it on my nose and on my cheekbones, and also on my chin and neck so that everything sets together. You can always finish here with the makeup, but I will be adding some glitter using the Addiction eyeshadow. The color is Miss You More. It has a really small glitter inside, and whenever you apply it on my cheeks, it's really cute when it reflects to the light, and I like how it's kind of like anime looking style, so this is completely original. For the hair, I will first clip out my bangs and do a simple light curl. And then for the rest of the hair, I will first curl the tips of the hair in and outwards, simply one curl, and then start doing the waves to my rest of the hair. The wave is super easy because all you have to do is curl the opposite way that you did with the previous curl and repeat it for the entire look. So this might be a little hard if you're a beginner with curling. You can also try out braiding, and it will give a similar look and much easier and less time. I also use 26mm for the curl iron, but if you use 32mm, it will create a bigger wave and a bit more natural look. I will also introduce you guys with another look. It's also super easy. All you have to do is braiding the sides of your hair and clip it using the clip that I just used. So it looks like a half up, but it's more cuter and it looks like you spend a little bit more time. I just curled the tips of my bangs, which I missed out, and this is the final look. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I did really enjoy myself doing this style, and I would totally want to do it, you know, when I get to go outside more often and meet my friends. So if you like this makeup, please give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you would like to, and see you in the next video.